ഹായ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഇക്വാളിറ്റി ഓഫ് മെട്രിസസിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇക്വാളിറ്റി ഓഫ് മെട്രിസസ്. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if they are of the same order. Each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. That is, if A equal to matrix Aij, B equal to matrix Bij, then Aij equal to Bij for all I and j. Consider the example. Let A equal to matrix 2, 3, 8, 1. B equal to matrix 2, 3, 8, 1. Here the corresponding elements 2 equal to 2, 3 equal to 3, 8 equal to 8 and 1 equal to 1. That means the corresponding elements are equal. Therefore, we can say that A equal to B. Consider the question. Find the values of A, B, C and D from the following equation. Matrix 2A plus B, A minus 2B, 5C minus D, 4C plus 3D equal to matrix 4 minus 3, 11, 24. From this, we have to find the values of A, B, C and D. We can use the property of equality of matrices. Since these two matrices are equal, we can equate the corresponding elements. This 2A plus B equal to 4, A minus 2B equal to minus 3, 5C minus D equal to 11 and 4C plus 3D equal to 24. Thus we have obtained here. Here 2A plus B equal to 4 and A minus 2B equal to minus 3. To find the values of A and B, multiply the first equation by 2. That is 2 into 2A equal to 4A, 2 into B equal to 2B, 4 into 2 equal to 8. And adding these two equations, we get minus 2B plus 2B equal to 0. And 4A plus A equal to 5A, minus 3 plus 8 equal to 5. From this, A equal to 1. Since 2A plus B equal to 4, B equal to 4 minus 2A. We know that A equal to 1, therefore B equal to 4 minus 2. That is equal to 2. Next two equations, 5C minus D equal to 11, 4C plus 3D equal to 24. We multiply the first equation by 3. We get 5 into 3 equal to 15C minus 3D, 11 into 3 equal to 33. Then adding these two equations, we get 4C plus 15C equal to 19C, 3D plus minus 3D equal to 0, 24 plus 33 equal to 57. From this, C equal to 57 by 19 equal to 3. Here 4C plus 3D equal to 24. From this, 3D equal to 24 minus 4C. You have C equal to 3. Then 4 into 3 equal to 12. 24 minus 12 equal to 12. 3D equal to 12. Therefore, D equal to 12 by 3 equal to 4. Thus, we have obtained the values of A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3 and D equal to 4. Consider another question. Find the values of x, y and z if matrix x plus y, 2, 5 plus z, xy equal to matrix 6, 2, 5, 8. Here also we are using the property equality of matrices. Using the equality, x plus y equal to 6, 2 equal to 2, 5 plus z equal to 5, xy equal to 8. Since x plus y equal to 6, we can write y equal to 6 minus x. And also we have the equation xy equal to 8. Since xy equal to 8, instead of y we can write 6 minus x. That is x into 6 minus x equal to 8. 6x minus x square equal to 8. Take these terms into right side. We get x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Now we can factorize this equation. നമുക്ക് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 8 കിട്ടണം, ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ -6 കിട്ടണം. The factors are -2 and -4. Therefore, this equation can be written as x minus 2 into x minus 4 equal to 0. That is x minus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 4 equal to 0. From this we can write x equal to 2 or x equal to 4. Using these values of x in the equation y equal to 6 minus x, we get when x equal to 2, y equal to 6 minus x equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4. When x equal to 4, y equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Thus we obtain when x equal to 2, y equal to 4. If x equal to 4, y equal to 2. Next equation 5 plus z equal to 5. From this z equal to 5 minus 5 equal to 0. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇക്വാളിറ്റി ഓഫ് മെട്രിസസ് എന്ന പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി ഉപയോഗിച്ച് എക്സ് വൈ സെഡ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഏത് വേരിയബിൾ തന്നാലും അതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് എല്ലാവർക്കും മനസ്സിലായി എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും സംശയം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിലിടുക. കൂടുതൽ വീഡിയോസ് ആവശ്യമുള്ളവർ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു.